Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Good evening, Moon. Good evening, good evening. Hello, Moon. Good evening and welcome again to our class for today. It's nice to see you again. How are you today, Moon?
How are you today?
Are you happy today?
Yeah.
Yes, wow, that's good. And did you already eat?
Yeah.
Eat. Yes, yes, yes. What did you eat for dinner? What did you eat? Did you eat rice? Did you eat rice? Eat.
I is
I
I
eat.
is mm, the mm, mm, tomato.
Oh, tomato. Only tomato? You only ate tomato?
Mm,
Okay, so very good. Thank you so much for sharing, Moon. So, you eat tomato for dinner. How about the rice? Do you eat rice for dinner? Yes or no?
mm,
No?
mm.
Okay, so good job. Okay, so good job for sharing what you ate this evening. So, are you ready for our new lesson for today, Moon?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Let's look at the title of our lesson. Let's say pets. Let's say pets. Pets, pets, pets.
That's
It-
that's
oh, okay, wow, very good. So, our lesson for today, Moon, is all about pets. So, when we say pets, so these are the animal, or these are the animal, or our animal friends that we take care and love. Okay, so do you have a pet? Do you have a pet, Moon? Yes or no?
mm.
Do you have a cat? Do you have a dog at your house? Yes or no?
I I know dog. I I I yes cat.
Oh, you have a cat?
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's very good. What is the name of your cat? What is the name of your cat?
Cat. Cat
What is
name.
the name?
Mm,
Is
mm,
her is your cat's name Sun or also Moon? What's the name of your cat?
mm. The cat is say meow.
Oh, yes, very good. So
The
your
cat
cat
is
says
the
meow.
cat more is white.
Oh, is it a Vietnam name? A Vietnam name. Wow. Okay, wow, very good. So thank you so much for sharing about your cat. So since we are talking about pets, so therefore your cat is your pet. It is your animal friend that you take care and you love. Okay? So next, okay. How about this one? look at look at this picture, Moon. Do you know what animal is this? What animal is this? Hmm. What animal?
Is a bunny.
Very good. It's a bunny. It's a small rabbit. We call it as bunny. So very good. So bunny is the one of the pet animals that we have. So now let's watch a short video
Oh.
Oh, so let's watch a short video about our pets here. So let me just open our video. Ding, 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 ding. Can you see it?
If
Do you have a pet?
You have a
Yes,
pet?
I have a dog.
Yes, I have a dog.
I have a pet. He is
Is
a
that dog?
dog. And he says woof, 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 woof.
Woof.
Woof, woof.
Woof.
I have a cat. I have a pet. She is a cat. And she says meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.
Meow.
I have a mouse.
Mouse.
I have a pet.
Pet.
He is a mouse. And he says squeak, squeak,
Squeak,
squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak,
Squeak,
squeak.
squeak.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof. Meow, meow.
Squeak,
Squeak, squeak.
I have a bird.
I have a bird.
I have a pet. He is a bird. And he says tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet.
Sweet.
I have a
Tweet,
fish.
tweet, tweet, tweet.
I have a pet. She is a fish.
Fish.
And she says glub,
Glub,
glub, glub, glub, glub,
glub.
glub, glub.
Glub.
I have a lion.
A lion?
I have a pet. He is a lion.
Lion.
And he says roar, 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 roar. Roar, roar. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Glub, glub.
Okay. Wow. So that is a song about our pet animals. Now, Moon, what animals did you saw? Or what are the pet animals did you saw in the video? What pet animals did you saw? I saw woof woof. What animal is that? Woof woof. What is the name of that animal? It's a
it's a dog.
very good. How about meow meow? What animal is that?
It's a cat.
It's a cat. How about squeak 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 squeak? What
It's
animal is that? It's a
a
ma mouse. It's a mouse. How about tweet 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 tweet? What animal is that? Tweet 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 tweet. What animal? It's a
bird.
bird. Next animal. How about the animal that sounds like glub 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 glub? What animal is that? Or what is the name of that animal? Glub 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 glub. Fish. Very good. How about the roar? Roar. What animal is that? Roar. Roar. It's a
Fit. Thumb.
roar. Roar. What animal? It's a
It's
lion.
lion.
Okay.
Ah,
Very good. So
I
that
will not roar lion.
roar. Yes.
Roar monster.
Monster. It's a lion roar. Okay. So that is our pet animal. So now let's learn more about the pet animals that we usually have at our houses. Okay, let's take a look at this first animal. I think that you know this animal. It's a
It's a dog.
very good. So it's a dog. How about this animal? What animal is this?
It's
It's a
a bird.
Okay, very good. It's a bird. How about our next animal? Meow, 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 meow. What animal is
It's
this?
cat.
It's a cat. Very good. How about this one?
Cat
What?
is tail.
How about this one? What animal is this? It's
It's a bunny.
bunny. Very good. It's a bunny. Okay, next. Glub, 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 glub. What animal is this?
It's fish.
A fish. Very good. It's a fish. Next. Janine, what animal is that?
It's mouse.
Is it a mouse? Are you sure? No, it's a
It's
it's a
a
hamster.
hamster.
Yes, very good. This is a hamster. Next, how about this one? Janine,
It's
what what animal?
a
It's
turtle.
a tur turtle. Okay, one more time. Let's say turtle.
Turtle is brown.
Very good. One more time.
The
Let's say
orange turtle is blue.
very good. Wow, good job. Now again, let's say turtle. 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 Okay.
Turtle.
Okay, very good. So let's practice that in the next one. How about this? This one is the
Turtle.
turtle. This one, how about this? This tiny animal. What is this? It's a
And a mouse.
Okay, very good. So it's a mouse. So that is the pet animals that we have.
The 40 mouse is a black.
Very good. It's black. Okay, so that is the pet animals that we have for today's lesson. So now let's go to this first animal and let's read this one. Let's say the cat.
The cat
Okay, very good. What is the color of this cat? What is the color of this cat?
is
Its color
black and mm, mm,
black.
black
Hmm,
and and
bl-
mm,
black, brown,
and brown
and white. We have white also.
and white.
Janine. Yes, very good. So this cat has three colors. It's color black, this one, white, and brown. Okay, so very good. Now, Moon, what is the color of your cat? Since you told teacher that you have a cat, what is the color of your cat?
It's gray and brown and white.
How about your cat? You said that you have a
That's
cat.
it. Meow.
Yes. What is the color of your cat at your house? You said teacher earlier that you have a cat at your house. What is the color of your cat or Moon's cat? The color of my cat is what
Sure.
color?
No,
Is the color of your cat orange?
it's your cat.
What color?
It's
Is
black and it's
black
black
and
and brown and white.
okay, very good. So that is also the color of your cat. It's black and brown and white. So very good. So this is a good job. This is a cat. Okay. So next. Do you like cats? Do you like cats, Moon? Yes or no?
No. Cats.
Oh, you don't
I
like
do not.
cats? No, I don't like cats. Let's say no.
Cat.
I don't
Cat.
like. Do you
Cat
like?
can. Cat can. But only cat do not like. I
Oh,
do not eating like
oh,
cat.
oh, you will not
Not
eat the
eating.
cat. You will not
No.
eat. No, eat.
No.
No, we don't eat cats. We take care of cats. Okay. So very good. So good job. So
On,
next.
only
Only?
he, only the dog can say whoop.
Yes, very good. Only the dog says or sounds like woof, woof. Okay, what animal is this again? It's the
It's it's the dog.
very good. It's the dog. So good job. Now, let's take a look at the dog here. What is the color of this dog? What color? Its color? What color?
It color black
Black and black and black.
and white.
Right, very good. So good job. So when we say dog, so dog is a pet that loves to
Dog,
play
but
and
only dog had the but only dog had mm, a mouth and eye and nose, but no, it
oh,
is gray.
oh, the dog has no ears. The dog has no ears. This is the ears of the dog. This ching. This is the ears. Yes, that is your ears. So very good. Okay, so now, do you like dogs, Moon? Do you like
No,
no?
I don't.
Oh no, I don't. Why don't you like dogs?
I
Oh,
like burger.
a burger. You like burger?
Yeah,
Is that a pet?
I like burger and hot dog.
Oh, wow. I like burger and hot dog. I thought you already ate tomato. You're still hungry? Okay. How about
Hmm.
French fries? How about French fries? Do you like French fries? Do you like French fries?
I
How about
mm,
French fries? Do you like French fries? Yes or no?
mm,
This one, let me check the French fries. This French fries.
yeah.
Janine. This one. Do you like French fries?
Mhm.
Do you like French fries? Yes or no?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. I it
It's
it
very delicious.
can it it's quite
Oh, this is your
it can eat
burger.
quite a tin.
Oh, wow. This is your burger. How about the hot
Quite
dog?
tin.
Hot dog, hot. Okay, so now let's go back to our lesson. So this is what animal again? This
I like
is
burger.
I like burger. Yes. So let's eat burger after our class. Okay. So next pet animal. Okay, what animal is this? It's the
It's the bunny.
very good. One more time. Let's say bunny.
Bunny
Bunny.
do not say.
Very good. Bunny do not.
Bunny it's jumping. Why? Why?
Very good. Bunny likes to jump. Can you show teacher how you jump?
Why?
Can you...
Why?
Okay, very good. So Bunny likes to jump. So Bunny is a small rabbit with long
If I
ears.
can, if I can, if I can, mm, mm, run.
If I can what? Okay, so Bunny is a
I can run.
small. Very good. Its eyes is black, so good job. So how about the what is the color of this bunny? What is the color of the bunny? Hmm. What
If
colors the bunny?
it's mm, it's
Color
brown, it's color brown
and
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 what?
white. Very good. So, Moon, what do you think is the favorite food of the bunny? What
Bunny
is
like carrot.
very good? So, bunny likes carrots. Good job. How about you, Moon? Do you like carrots?
Yeah.
Yes, wow, that's very good that you eat carrots because carrots is very healthy for our body, especially for our skin. So good job. So this is the bunny. So it is a small rabbit with long ears. Okay. So next, let's go with
It's
our
brown
next
brown ear.
long ears. Very good. Let's go with our next pet animal. What is the name of this animal? It's the
It's a mm, mm,
tweet, 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 tweet.
bird.
The bird. Very good. It's the bird. So a bird is an animal
The bird
with
is yellow.
what? The bird
The
is
bird
yellow.
is yellow
Very good. The bird
and
is
red.
yellow and red. Yes. So its mouth is color red. So the
Now,
bird, a bird is an animal with feathers that can fly. So,
fly, 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 fly.
yes. Okay. So now, do you like birds? Do you want to have a pet bird? Yes or no? No? No, no,
No,
no.
no,
No.
not.
Okay. I don't want. No, I don't want. Okay,
I, I, but do not eating.
yes, we will not eat the bird. I do not eat the bird because these kinds of
Because
pets,
not tail. Tail is a cat and pet.
yes, so these kinds of animals is our pet or those
But
that,
only has a bird can fly.
yes, very good. Birds can fly. How about an ostrich? Can ostrich fly?
No,
No, very good.
the
No.
ostrich is the sky.
Very good. So no, they cannot fly. So they can only run faster. Okay, so
Only
that,
have a restaurant.
yes, very good. So but an ostrich is a big bird, but it cannot fly. Okay. So next, oh, what animal is this? It's the,
Only have a restaurant.
yes, very good. How about this one, Moon? What is that? What
It's the
animal is
fish.
fish?
Fish.
Very good. But we call this fish a
The
goldfish.
fish is swimming.
Very good. The fish or the
It's
goldfish
orange.
is
The fish is
swimming.
color orange.
Very good. So goldfish is a fish that is color orange. Okay. So this is what we call goldfish. Okay. One more time, Moon. Let's say goldfish.
Orange.
Goldfish. Goldfish.
Wolf. Fish.
Okay. One more time. What animal is this, Moon? It's a
A wolf
gold.
fish.
Very good. It's a
Fish.
goldfish. Very good. So it is an orange fish that likes to swim. Okay, so next, let's go with the next pet animal. What animal is this?
It's a mouse.
It's the mouse. Very good. It's the mouse. So when we say mouse, it is a small animal with a long tail. So this is the tail of the mouse. Now, Moon, what is the color of the mouse? What is the color of this mouse?
It's brown.
Very good. The mouse
And
is
I and black
it's
and mouth and pink.
very good. So its eyes is black and its mouth and feet are color pink. So very good. So good job. Next pet animal. What animal is this? It's the turtle.
It's the
Turtle.
turtle.
Okay, one more time. Let's say turtle. Tur. Slowly.
Turtle.
Tur. T. T. Tur. Turtle.
Turtle.
Okay, very good. One more time. Turtle.
Turtle.
Okay, nice job. Nice job for trying. So let's practice that word in the next class, okay? So next, this animal is a turtle. So when we say a turtle, so a turtle is a slow animal with a hard shell on its back. So let's take a look at this moon. This is a shell. So it serves as the home. It serves as the home of
I
the
have it.
turtle. Oh, you have a
I have
turtle?
it. Follow me.
Oh, Kuromi. I thought it's a turtle. Is that the her clip? So
Have
cute.
follow me.
Yes, wow, Kuromi. Do you like Kuromi?
No.
Ah, no. Why do you have
Follow
Kuromi?
me. Do not say.
Oh,
Don't. Follow me is it thing 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 but that not is she is not the she is not have her only have a mouth pink but
oh,
but 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 sh- but but only have a pink.
oh, only have a
She
pink.
like pink.
Oh, she likes pink. How about you? Do you like pink?
Yeah, I like pink.
Oh, I think that is not pink. That is color purple. That is
I like
purple.
pink, but only have eating mm, 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 eating dinner.
Oh, eating dinner. Okay, so good job. So that is
Kuromi
Kuromi.
eating dinner.
Oh, Kuromi is eating dinner at your house? Wow, that's good to know that Kuromi is in your
I
house.
do not eating Kuromi.
You do not. Oh yes, we do not eat kuromi. We just play with it.
Pyramids do
Okay.
not touch jumping, but
Okay.
only not stay too.
Oh. Oh, okay. So thank you so much. Okay,
Kitty
so Moon,
is say meow
Mal. Okay.
meow too.
Okay. So
Kitty.
okay, so Moon, so we will end our lesson here because we do not have much time. So we will just continue this lesson next class, okay? I think it's Thursday or it's Friday. Okay, bye-bye, Moon, and see you again soon.
See you then.
Goodbye. You can now sleep and good night.